Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Systemic lupus erythematosis. So, in the systemic lupus erythematosis, systemic lupus erythematosis. Systemic lupus erythematosis is an autoimmune disorder. It is an autoimmune disorder. So, fine. Systemic lupus erythematosis is an autoimmune disorder. It is more commonly seen in males it is more commonly seen in females when compared to males. All the autoimmune disorders are more common in females than in males, except ankylosing spondylitis, which is more common in males than in females, and it has an environmental predisposition is seen in systemic lupus erythematosis. Then we'll see the criteria in the next class.
thank you and thank you for watching.